Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new Facebook page. Just come to your profile and here you have to click this menu icon and then click on pages here, and finally you have to click here create new page. Then you have to give a name to your page. Let's say I want to give this page the name of Computer Geek, and let's say I give it Science and Tech, and the rest is optional. And now I can click on the create page button. Now you can add further information to your page like your website, phone number, email, location and things like that. Also you can add the timing of your business if this page is related to your business, and then you can click on the next button. You can add profile picture or cover photo and then click on the next button. Then you can also connect your WhatsApp to your page, or you can skip this for the moment, and you can invite friends to your page and build your audience, and then click on the next button again, and finally click on the done button, and voila, your page is now ready. Welcome to your new page. Let's take a tour. Easily switch between your page and profile. You can do it from here. Quickly get stuff done. You can see insights like top performing content, create ads and explore tools to manage your page all in one place from here. Then explore your page's feed, follow others as Computer Geek and see their updates here, and you are done. Guys, my page is ready now and you can start posting. You can add videos and photos. You can also go live, and there are so many options available. You can also connect your Instagram profile to this page. You can add a description of your page here, add bio. You can add further details here, and you are ready to go. If I click on professional dashboard, I can see the metrics for this page here for any post like post reach and things like that. So guys, this is it. Thank you.